Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is SmartWatchSpecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the latest smartwatch from KKTICK, the KKTICK Tank T6. So this is an upgrade or a new version of the Tank T5. So the latest upgrade from Tank T5. So we have the T6 with a new design, new features, improved hardware, and still it has all the best features of our Tank T5 smartwatch. On this video, we are going to have the unboxing review of this wearable. So we'll check the design, the specifications, as well as the UI. So if you are interested to know more about the KKTICK Tank T6 smartwatch, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and explore the KKTICK Tank T6 smartwatch. So this is the packaging of our wearable, somewhat similar to our Tank T5. Okay, so we have the details here about the smartwatch. As you can see, we have a preview here of its features. It has a GPS positioning system. One of the best features of the smartwatch, offline map. We have 380 and waterproof, 500 mAh battery. And as you can see, it is certified military grade, drop tested, rugged smartwatch. Okay, so this is the packaging. We have the preview here of the smartwatch. We have the features here, including the hardware. We have 4 GB of storage space, and at the back we have the QR code or the app, support app for the wearable. Same durable packaging, compact packaging for our Tank series smartwatch. So we have here our T5. As you can see, it's just the same packaging here. Okay, so let's explore the contents. So what are the contents of our Tank T6? Okay, so far we do have a very good, or we have a positive reviews on the Tank T6. Some of the issues with Tank T5, okay, has been corrected or updated with our Tank T6 here. So we have here the smartwatch, okay, with the strap attached. We do have an extra strap, flexible silicone strap with a quick release pin for easy replacement. We have a TWS earphone, okay, to test out the feature here of the wearable. So it has support for TWS earphone. And of course, we have in a separate box, we have the charging cable, pogo pin. Okay, so we have, this is for the charger for our TWS earphone, and we have a charger for our smartwatch, and of course we have here the user manual. Again, here are the contents of our Tank T6. So we have the smartwatch here with the strap attached. We have an extra strap, charging cable for our smartwatch, the user manual, and we have here, I think it is a freebie, we have TWS earphone, okay, with a charging cable. Okay, so here are the contents of our Tank T6. Next, let's explore the smartwatch. Alright, so we are on the second part for our KKTICK Tank T6. So after the unboxing, checking out the package and package contents, let's focus on the design, the specifications, and the UI. So let's check first the weight of our wearable. So 00. Let's check out the total weight with the strap attached for our smartwatch. We have 67.86. Okay, so it is, I think it is just, the weight is just okay for the size of the wearable. Remember, this is loaded with a lot of hardware, advanced hardware, including a 4GB of storage space and sensors. We also have a built-in GPS and an offline map. Okay, so we have a metal body frame. I think this is a rotary button. We have a physical button here, push button. Sporty looking wearable. Okay, with a sporty type silicone strap with a quick release pin. I think the design is much better compared to Tank T5. It is more polished, more improved, premium looking smartwatch. Tank T6. We have, let's see, certified military grade drop tested, and it is certified 3 ATM. Okay, let's have a closer look. As you can see here, we have two physical buttons, one push button, and we have a rotary button here. Okay, next let's have the specifications. Let's turn this on first. Let's see if we still have power left. Okay, so we have an animation here, a loading screen, English. Okay, let's remove this first. So we do have some tutorial here, a walkthrough of the smartwatch. We'll skip pairing, and we have here the smartwatch. As you can see here, we do have a beautiful screen here. So we have an AMOLED screen. Nice. Beautiful screen. And look at this. It is also a watch face that is also a compass. Wow. This is very good. This is very good so far, especially for those who are doing some outdoor activities. You have your watch face. You also have an always on display here, and your watch face with a compass. This is very good. I'm impressed with the watch face here. Good job from KKTICK Tank T6. Okay, very good screen display. If you're going to look at it on the side, you can still see the time. Right, so for the screen display, let's have the specs here. We have a 1.43-inch AMOLED screen with a 466 by 466 pixel resolution. That is a very good pixel resolution for the screen, and it is an AMOLED screen. It has 4GB of storage space, 500 mAh battery with several days of standby time, 3 ATM waterproof. We have a 0.22mm strap, and it is using the, let's see, the support app, the Wear Joy application available on Android and iOS. Top features for the wearable, we have an offline map, we have GPS positioning here, support for TWS earphone, and we have a 4 GB of storage space. Again, let's have a closer look at the design here and the screen display with a compass support. Also have here an always on display. Beautiful screen display so far. Okay. Next, let's have the UI. For the UI, we have on top, we have the settings and options. On the bottom part, we have notifications. We have the module here on the side. And to access the main menu, just press the power button. This is rotary also. Nice. Okay, I'm impressed with our KKTICK Tank T6 here. It's a beautiful smartwatch. Every time that you rotate the screen here or the crown button, we do have some vibration. Okay. And this one, let's see. Okay, so it indicated sports button on the bottom part. So that's it for our unboxing review of the KKTICK Tank T6 smartwatch. On our next video, we'll focus on the menus and features. So if you are interested to know more about smartwatches, especially the Tank T6, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye!